Now let's see how variables works in JavaScript. Okay, basically there are three ways whereby you can declare variables in your JavaScript, and we are going to see those three ways right now. And the first way is gonna be by typing in var as this, and then followed by the identifier. When I say identifier, I mean what you want to recognize it with. Okay, so let's say an object, and that object, the object we know, let's say that object is a touch. So the object there, let's assume that object to be a variable, and then the identifier is what? A touch. Okay, something like that. Now we are going to say var of name. Okay, and then let's say John Doe as a name of a person. Okay, as a name of a person, and then we can save this, and then we are going to show this thing on our, let's say we want to show it on our console and not on our browser. I'll just go ahead and say console and then .log, and I will now write in that very name like this. Okay, and I can go ahead and click on this place to display the name. All right, and as you can see, we are seeing John Doe right here. Okay, so this is actually the first approach on how you can declare variables in your JavaScript, and then the second one is actually by using the keyword let instead of var. Okay, so we can say let. All right, so if we say let, and then let's say John Smith this time around, and then save this file and then go ahead to console it, we're gonna see John Smith. Okay, we're gonna see John Smith right here. Okay, so you might be wondering what are the differences. Okay, so the difference is just that when we use var, okay, when we use var as, let me say, var of name, okay, and then we are having John Smith. All right, and then we also see var of another name, okay, to be equal to Mary and Jane. That's Mary Jane. Okay, and then we see display, that's console.log name. So what do you think is actually gonna be the answer right now? Okay, the answer is gonna be Mary Jane. Okay, it's going to allow us to declare the first one and also redeclare now, and it will make use of that last one we declared. Okay, I'll just go ahead and right click here on this console so that I can clear it and show us afresh. I'll just go ahead and click on this place, and it will show me Mary Jane. So what var did was just that it could it can allow us to first of all declare your name. Okay, declare something at first, and also redeclare that same variable. Okay, and it will not throw any error. But what about let? When we say let of name, and then under let of name, okay, as you can see, it's already showing us an underline here, showing that this is an error. And when you try to hover on this underline, it tells you cannot declare a broad scoped variable name. Okay, cannot declare a broad scoped variable name actually. Okay, so what is telling that you have written let name first. Okay, you don't have to write let name again. Even if you want to change the value, that's the one at the right hand side, even if you want to change it, you are not permitted to put in let here. You can just go ahead and remove the let, and then we can now say name equal to Mary Jane. So when I clear this console here by just clicking and clear the console here and then run this, it can be able to show me Mary Jane. All right, it can be able to show me Mary Jane. So you see the difference right now in the sense that you cannot write let 2 times, but you can write var 2 times of the same variable name. Okay, of the same identifier rather. All right, now the last one we're gonna look at is actually const. Okay, which is basically constant. Okay, let's say when I say we want a name to be constant, we can just say const of name. Okay, and then John Smith. Okay, and then we writing this name again now and save it. It should throw us an error. Let me clear this console. It should throw us an error because constant is something that is constant. You cannot declare it. Okay, and you cannot redefine it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and click on this place, and it throws an error already saying assignment to a constant variable type error. Okay, so basically there we should only have one. As long as you have used the keyword const, okay, it means that you should only have one identifier as name. Okay, you cannot do something like this. You cannot come again and even write const of that same name. It's not possible. Okay, so this is actually how you can go about it. You can now remove the other ones and then clear my console. All right, I'll just go ahead and clear this console, and show us the output by clicking here, and everything works well. All right, so right now we have seen how we can display outputs, okay, using our variables. We saw var, we saw let, and we have seen const. Okay, so we're going to explain much more better in the subsequent videos. All right, just follow this tutorial and you'll get everything you need to get in JavaScript. See you in the next video.